back to this channel, Guide for Autism. In today's video, I'm going to talk about choosing secondary school for your child. If you have not watched my previous video where I spoke about choosing primary school for your child, then go back and watch it if you are thinking about choosing primary school for your child. But on this video, I'm going to focus on choosing the right secondary school for your child. If you're new to this channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that you will get notified each time I upload the new video. On this channel, I share different things that I do to help my child from home, just to make sure that my child is going to live to the best. So on today's video, I'm talking about secondary school. A year has gone since I chose a secondary school for my child. When I was choosing secondary school, I looked in my local area. Unfortunately, secondary schools for special needs children, they are not so many as the mainstream school. So when I was looking for secondary school, it was only 3 secondary schools that were much more closer to where I live. Not too many, but again, 3, I think they are quite enough. So when I was about to choose secondary school, there were some few parents who wanted our children to go on the same school. We sat down, we said, okay, it's true the children have been going along for the past 6 years. It was something nice to wish as a parent because our children find it difficult to make friends most of the time. The fact that for them, knowing someone for quite long, it helps them in terms of engaging, communication, playtime, fun time, all those kind of things. So we went and started choosing school. We received the letters about the school where our children have been allocated. Unfortunately, all of us, we received a different allocation. One of the parents was not happy and she started now going through procedure of changing the school for her child. If you're a parent out there and you don't know that you can appeal once your child has been selected a school and you don't like it, you can actually appeal for you to get the school you prefer for your child to go. So this parent went through that process. Luckily, she got a space on the same school where my son is going. So now the school have just started. It's been a week now, but before the school started, during summertime, that's July time, my son went to visit the school that has been already allocated to him. And at that time, he went there for 2 sessions and he met the teachers, he met the teaching assistant. Most people will be working in that environment. He was given certain tasks to complete. This is maths, English, reading, writing, for them just to see the level where he is and where they can allocate and how they can allocate his class. So when he was going through that process, I was told that, okay, your child will be in this class. So I was told the name of that class. Now that my child have just started, he's been in a school for the past 1 week. He's already like getting more comfortable and knowing the teachers, knowing the children in a class. And I think he's becoming much more relaxed now, and he's now showing them what he can do. So yesterday when I went to pick him up, I was told that we've been working with your child and we have realized we put him on wrong class. We would love to move him on a different class. And then she took her time to explain to me, okay, this is what he did when he was doing assessment with us before summertime, but actually now he's been with us more than a week. We can see that your child is able to do most of the things, and that's why we're moving him to a different class. Another thing that makes me happy with this school is that they really do communicate. I'm someone, if I'm going to pick up my child, I want to know, has he eaten? Did he do his work? Did he listen? I really want to know, because on my way back home, I need to speak to my child. I will advise any parent out there, don't just drop your child and just pick your child. Always trying to out how your child has been in a school. If there is anything you need to work on, please, you need to get that from the teacher, because if you don't ask, they won't tell. Because what I've realized is that at the end of the school day, there are so many children. It's a secondary school. The teachers are tired, they want to go home, they just want to give you a child and go. For me, I don't allow that. You giving me my child, but also you telling me how my child has been. That makes me very happy, because I get to know this is how my child is progressing. So far, I'm really happy. The only time that the school teacher gets break from my question is when my husband is going to pick him up. Because my husband don't ask anything. He will just drop him and pick him up. Unless if the teacher themselves, they want to speak to him, then he will just give them that time. But for me, if I'm the one doing that, I would definitely go ahead and ask how my child has been doing. That is me. But as a parent, I think you should know how your child is coping in a school, especially when it's a new school. You really want to know if your child is eating, if he's listening, if he's coping well with other children. I think those are the most important things. If there is anything you need to start working on, you just start from the beginning. Guys, my share for today. I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.